Hello friends, my name is Pragati Misra. In my previous lecture, I have discussed about the order and degree of the differential equation. Today I am going to discuss what are the methods to solve a differential equation. You know about differential equation. Today I am going to discuss what are the methods by which we can solve a given differential equation. So the very first method is separation of variables. By mistaken it is written at the second position, but this is the very first method to solve a differential equation. So first method is separation of variables, second method is reducible to variables separable, third one is homogeneous equation, fourth is reducible to homogeneous form, fifth is linear differential equation, and sixth is reducible to linear differential equation, and last, that is seventh, is exact differential equation. So by at each day I will discuss one topic. Today is my first day to discuss methods to solve a differential equation. So today I am taking separation of variable method. Now we will discuss what is the separation of variable method. So as you know, it is clear from the name that it is solved by separating the variables. So a differential equation contains only two variables. Ordinary differential equation contains only two variables. First is dependent and second is independent. And yes, it has only one independent variable also. So we will separate each of the variable, that is x is separated at one side and then y is separated at other side, and then we integrate it as we have done earlier in our secondary education. Okay. So I am taking one example, that is x under root 1 plus y square dx plus y under root 1 plus x square dy equal to 0. You can see this is the mixture of dependent and independent variable, and here is dx and here is dy. So we will try to separate the variables of y at one side and the variable x at other side. So I can write x upon under root 1 minus x square dx plus y upon under root 1 plus y square into dy equal to 0. You know how we can write this. Now we will integrate this with respect to x as it is given, and this with respect to y. After integrating, this is x dx upon under root 1 plus x square plus y dy upon under root 1 plus y square. Now we will assume 1 plus x square as t1 and 1 plus y square as t2. So 2x dx is equal to dt1 and 2y dy is equal to dt2. Now if we put this into this integral, then we get integration dt1 upon root t1 plus dt2 upon root t2, and that is equal to 0. After integration, we can write by this formula. You know about this formula, that integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. So by using this formula, we can write t1 raised to power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1, since at the place of n here is minus 1 by 2. So we will apply the same formula, and similarly for t2 also. And after integration, we get an integrating constant c. So you can see 2 under root t1 plus 2 under root t2 equal to c. We have assumed earlier under root t1 as 1 plus x square. So whatever we assume, we have to put in its real situation in the result. Okay. So we will put at the place of t1 1 plus x square, and at the place of t2 1 plus y square. So we'll put it here 2 under root 1 plus x square plus 2 under root 1 plus y square equal to c. So I hope that you understand the process how to solve a differential equation by the separation of variable method. It is so easy to solve. Just you have to see the differential equation, and you will try to make one variable at one side and the second variable at other side, and then you will solve it easily by the simple integration method that you apply. So you can try by yourself. This was the process. I hope you are liking my video. Please subscribe. If you are liking my content, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.